Hello everyone, welcome to the series of tips and tricks for exams, tests and quizzes questions at Mathegination, the channel where you can learn and fun. Our today's question is about finding the value of unknown variables when two functions are equal. So in this question, we are given two functions. The first one is f of x and the second one is g of x, and we have to find the value of x for which these two functions are equal. For this, we first have to take our condition f of x equals g of x. After that, we have to replace the values of these functions. So 2x minus 8 equals 10 minus x. So now the next step is just an algebraic manipulation. So we take this minus x to the left hand side, it becomes plus x, and this minus 8 goes on the right hand side and become plus 8. After that, we got 3x equals 18, hence x equals 18 over 3, which gives after cancellation x equals 6, which means the correct answer from the given options is C, which is 6. Okay. Sometimes this question appear in exams in another form, and another form of this question is this. So you can see this question in which we have given at what point f of x and g of x crosses each other. So in the previous question, when the question appear in this way, here we only have to find the value of unknown variable, and in this question the unknown is x, so we found out the value of x, which is 6. In the below question, you can see we have to find out the point, and you can see that when we have the functions like here f of x equals 2x minus 8, and likewise g of x equals 10 minus x. The first thing we have to do when we have to find the points, we have to take the f of x and g of x as some variable, and we know we call it y. So you can take any variable label. Here I take f of x and g of x as y. So y equals 2x minus x 8 and y equals 10 minus x. So this is the first step. So whenever you have to find the point, you have to find the value of both x and y, because in two dimensions in the equation of line, so you can see this is the equation of a straight line, this is an equation of a straight line. So actually these two functions, when I replace f of x with y, so these functions become the equations and the equations of straight lines. So to find out the point in two dimension, we know the straight line always draw on a two dimension. So if we have to find out the point, we have to find out the value of x as well as the value of y. So here, since we know already that the value of x is 6, if we are giving this question, the first thing we have to do is take f of x equals g of x and find the value of x. So in previous question, we already found out the value of x. So I am assuming this from the previous question, right? So if this question appear in exam, what you have to do, first take f of x equals g of x and find the value of x that we already did in the previous question. Now, after that, put this x in any other way, this one or this one. So in any equation, you can put this x and you can find the value of y. So let's assume I am taking this value, this equation y equals 2x minus 8. y equals, when I wrote x equals 6 minus 8, so y becomes 12 minus 8, which gives y equals 4, right? And you can see that when you write this x here in g of x, so you can take 10 minus 6 and again you got 4. So you can use whatever value you like. So in any equation, from any equation, you can find the value of x and the value of y. So now our options, let me correct them first. So our options are 6, comma 3, 6, comma 4, 3, comma 7, 3, comma 6. So you can see that we found out the value of x is 6 and the value of y is 4, and the answer is B, which is 6, comma 4. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some amazing thing. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Mathegination to learn mathematics in easy and fun way. If you have any question regarding this video or this topic, please write us on the comment section. Thank you.